In today's video, I am going to teach you how to migrate Yahoo Mail to Gmail. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you are signed in to the Gmail account where you want your Yahoo messages and contacts to be imported. It is best to do this on a computer because the settings menu is easier to find and the import tools are more reliable than on a mobile app. Once you are in your Gmail inbox, look to the top right area of the page for the settings menu. This is the small icon that opens Gmail's quick settings panel. Click that icon to open the panel. This area gives you fast access to display options, but for a full mail migration, you need the complete settings screen. In the same panel, find and click the option that says See All Settings. This takes you to Gmail's full settings page, where you can manage accounts, imports, forwarding, and other advanced features. Give it a moment to load, especially if your mailbox is large. Across the top of the settings page, you will see several tabs. Click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section is specifically designed for bringing mail in from other providers and for managing how Gmail connects to outside accounts. It is the right place to start when you want to move mail from Yahoo into Gmail. Now scroll until you see the option called Import Mail and Contacts, and click it. This starts the Gmail import process, which is the built-in tool Google provides to bring in messages and address book entries from another email service. When the import window appears, follow the prompts carefully and make sure you select the correct Yahoo account during sign-in. Take your time entering your Yahoo login details and double-check before you continue, because a small typo can stop the connection. After you begin the import, remember that the transfer may not appear instantly. Depending on how much mail you have, it can take a while for messages and contacts to show up in Gmail. During this time, you can keep using Gmail normally and let the import run in the background. That covers everything you need to know.